KINGAM-PANAHY nampitondra ny lohateny hoe The Family. The Salvation Poem in the Family Tree. Jesus, you did open a cross and rose again to save the lost. Forgive me now of all my sin. Come be my Savior, Lord and friend. Change my life and make it new. And help me, Lord, to live for you. My name is Patrick Desiree, and I'm 11. This is a picture of my family. My mother's name is Rosette, and my father's name is Desiree. I have two brothers. Frederick is 16, and Musa is 3. I have two brothers. Frederick is 16, and Musa is 3. And I have one sister. Her name is Patricia, and she's 7. And I have one sister. Her name is Patricia, and she's 7. Today, I received Jesus Christ as the Lord and Savior of my life. Jesus, you did open a cross and rose again to save the lost. Forgive me now of all my sin. Come be my Savior, Lord and friend. Change my life and make it new. And help me, Lord, to live for you. Yeah. Mpanoratra izaho Patrick na hoe KiNGA.